What's going on, everyone? We are finally in our new studio space, 15 Bridge Street in the heart of Nelson. We thought we'd just give you a little tour of the development so far because it certainly is a work in progress. We moved in a couple of weeks ago. We've got the team working behind us, which you'll see in a sec, and a lot of things sort of happening. You might hear a few hammers banging upstairs because they're ripping out the bathroom, fixing that all up. But for now, follow me and I'll give you a bit of a tour. This space here is going to be our new studio space. You can see it's got some really nice white walls on the side, but what we are going to do is we're going to build a bit of a storeroom over here. So this line here will be a big wall. Behind there will be where we store all our gear. That'll be nicely locked up with a door on this side, so we'll be able to open up into the storeroom. The wall will go pretty much to the top of the roof. But there will be a little bit of a gap above it. But then this wall will be a nice white wall which we can actually use as a studio backdrop. So you'll be able to use a whole bunch of different spaces within this room for the studio. So you'll be able to go a wall up against here, wall there, maybe have 2 or 3 shoots happening at once. And obviously if you need the vastness of the space, you can step back and you'll have sort of a 3 white wall studio going on. So there is another wall going to be put in here, and these little divisions are kind of temporary walls that we've been using to throw around in the space to see how it feels. But a really exciting thing behind this wall, in this area in here, will be where we're going to be putting a cafe. So it's a nice little kind of hole in the wall, but it will become the main Lumiere entranceway. So this roller door will turn into 2 glass double doors, and people will just be able to walk in here, grab their coffee, and then it'll open up into what will be the Lumiere headquarters. So we're unsure exactly how this is going to look, but there definitely will be sort of a partition wall going on here, and then people in the cafe will still be able to look and check out what's going on in the studio, which will be sort of an awesome experience to be able to be a part of. Now, if you come through here, this space is a work in progress, but this will be our main working area for the Lumiere team. There's a lot of things still to do, so we're going to put a toilet block in here just behind you. We're going to put a little kitchen. We're going to develop this kitchen that we've got going on right now. And there'll sort of be a bassinet, a fridge. It'll be really nice, and people can come in past the cafe when they're doing studio shoots and be able to obviously help themselves to refreshments, and there'll be sort of a loungy area over here. But further down here we've got the main Lumiere offices. Again, watch yourself there, Josh. You'll see a hole in the wall, hole in the floor, sorry, sort of a really rough tap system going on here, which looks like it's been here since the building was built. And so all of this is going to be ripped out and cleaned up, and sort of just be a really nice floor space for the team to work. As you can see, really beautiful natural light, which all the video and photo guys out there absolutely love. For now, the Lumiere team have set up behind me through there. Should we go have a look? Yeah, let's go have a look. Watch your feet, Josh. So this is our main space at the moment. I've got my dinner table, we've got a few pieces of plywood from Bunnings as a real temporary setup. So we've got all our gear, all the team is set up on the computers in here. And this is, again, just a temporary space until the side next door gets developed, and then we'll move in. Hopefully in a couple of weeks we'll move in. One really cool thing that I'd like to show you is the server that we put in a couple of days ago. Basically, we've just been having data management problems for so long, and the server's alleviated a whole lot of stresses. So what that means is this has all our footage in it, and all the computers via Cat6 cable all linked up into here. So we've got all our data in a centralized location that's backed up on the cloud, and everyone can just collaborate and access the data all at once, which is really cool. Eventually this will be in a room by itself, and there'll be cables all sort of hardwired into the building once we figure out where everyone's going to be. So that is us at the moment. Got Tom there working away. We've got upstairs, but wait, there's more. Upstairs is very much a work in progress. So this is all about to get repainted and re-gutted all the way through. The guys at the moment are working on putting in a new guy's toilet. Again, all the walls are getting painted, the floor's getting polished, new carpet, all that good stuff. So we've basically got two toilet blocks here, guys and girls. We've got a shower, and then in this room here, it's a little dirty, but this is all going to be cleaned up, and the back wall will get knocked out, which will have access through here as well into this room, which will be a really cool L-shaped room. We're going to soundproof it and turn it into a bit of a recording studio for a certain someone. So yeah, very much a work in progress. So we've got sound upstairs, toilet blocks upstairs, and there were thoughts about turning this into a conference room, but we'll just sort of see again how all the subtenants develop and how everyone uses the building, because it's sort of a morphing beast at the moment. So that's it for now. I guess we'll keep you updated as things develop, and we're really excited to see this space become what it can be. If you have any ideas for this space here, check it out, because all of us are going to be moving next door. We've got a few thoughts about what we can do for this space, but we'd love to hear your thoughts as well. Yeah, and flick us a line, let us know what you think of the building, ask us any questions, and for now, we'll see you in the next update for the offices.